this is cool because with this video, I'm gonna start a small series of video specifically about lighting, and can be applied for portrait, can be applied for product photography, and even for street photography, or in general everything, because light in photography is everything. In this specific video, we're gonna talk about the difference between harsh light and soft light. What is that? How to recognize, when to use it, when to follow the rule, when to break the rule. So a soft light refers in general to a light that wraps around the subject, that create a diffuse shadow with a soft edge and a fading separation between the portion in light and the portion on the shadow. The opposite is the harsh light, which makes a clear cut separation between what is in light and what is on the shadow. This is a basic rule to define harsh between and soft light in general. What are the effects that these two different lights can create? Well, a soft light makes the subject appearing more beautiful, more youthful, makes a wrinkle less visible, and even the feature of the face. It's very well used for women, for example, women portrait. Makes the person looks more inviting and friendly. That's why it's used for corporate headshot or actor headshot. Perfect for family portrait. It gives the feeling of coziness. So perfect if you gotta photograph something soft, warm, where the light can match the softness of the products and create all a beautiful scenario. While a hard light, in the contrary, can help you to tell a different story. It's known for being dramatic, can help to enhance the feature of a face, especially if you're portraying a male, a hard worker, or an athlete. Anytime you want to give a sense of harshness to the situation. I love in street photography the harsh light because it helps to create a dramatic effect, but also helps to enhance the color of the picture. You can play with the shadow, for example. Even in portrait, you can play and make a dramatic effect, or just a cool effect, artistic effect. You use hard light in studio, for example, if you wanna give a feeling of summer style, example, like this one. Even in portrait photography, for example, a harsh light can help to enhance the texture of a product, for example, leather product, or give a clean luxury mood, like in this case where a broad light whiten everything and then a spotlight create this, enhance the shape and the feature of the product, besides giving also this luxury clean look. Here we have the same product, for example, but we can see the difference between this natural light and the other one. This is more soft, more cozy. You can see more the fabric in this case gives you more cozy feeling, like in this other picture, more Christmas style. I want to specify something, because I see that a lot of photographers tend to say when the sun is at noon, the light is always harsh. When the sun is at sunset or sunrise, the light is always soft. That's, in my opinion, is a misconception, because we just say that, and this is a fact. What makes the difference, what makes a harsh light is when there is a clear-cut transition between the shadow part and the part on the light. That's a harsh light. When the transition is soft and smooth, this is considered soft light, okay? We are not talking about angle of the light in this moment. Just this is what makes the difference. When the sun is at noon, for sure the light is not in the best position to get a picture, whether it's for street photography or whether it is for portrait especially. What makes the difference? What is that? The clouds. Anytime there is clouds, the sun is hidden behind this giant softbox. So whether it's at noon or sunset or sunrise, it's always soft, the light, okay? Of course, when it's sunset or sunrise, the light is beautiful. Why? Like in this picture. Because it's gold light, because the ray of light has to go through much more layer of the atmosphere, so they lose the blue part of the light and only the golden one gets. Plus the angle create a nice shadow. As you can see, the light is harsh because it's sunny, and even if it's a sunset, it's still harsh. Here other case, again, it's sunset, beautiful light, golden light, beautiful shadow that creates and you can play with, but it's harsh light. Again, harsh light. If you position the sun in face of the model, okay, it gets beautiful also, but because of the angle, but the light is still harsh. Of course, when it's noon, the sun doesn't help us in terms of angle, but as you can see here, if it's noon and it's so cloudy, the light can be beautiful. You can come out with a nice picture. Annie Leibovitz used to say, anytime she take picture in outside in location, she always pray for the clouds, because the way she takes picture, she loves this broad soft light. They can lit almost all the scene, and then she go fill in with her flash. That's her signature, and that's just to make the important distinction. It's important that if we go outside and we talk, we don't say statement so strict like that. The statement of the harsh or soft light, it's only given by the transition of the shadow. That's the only things. Then when it's different, the angle, you can come out with different mood, different idea, and we're gonna see in the next video. And with this beautiful light, I would say, I hope I gave you a broad idea of the difference between this light, so now you may understand how to read the light in this sense. In the next videos we're gonna see also how we can create a harsh light, how we can create a soft light, how to position the light, and more stuff about lighting in general. So if you like this video, I'm sure you like it. You like it? Okay. Put a subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment also if you didn't get something, you want some more information about something, maybe I wasn't clear enough. Hit the button and put the bell, so basically it's gonna pop up anytime I'll put the new one. And stay tuned. Thank you.